Hi, I am Jonathan Borak from Eastern Somerset University, Groningen City, and I was assigned to the web development team, and the hours I need to render is 500 hours. So during my OJT, I was assigned to the web development team, where in our main task was the website maintenance. So this included data entry, editing of batch for testimonial, and then uploading and linking it to the site. So I am also currently working on the edits for our own batch, which is batch 5. I also assisted in editing and adding for for the additional industries in the company video profile. And then I was also assigned in making web proposals or reports for new change or enhancement needed for website. So throughout the tasks assigned to me, so I learned the basic functionalities of Laravel and PHP, and also how to use GitHub as a collaborative platform. One of the challenge that na-experience ko dito is yung if there are reports, going to the main office, and then when there is presentations, and yung introduction ng Laravel and PHP, kahit basic functionalities lang yung ginagawa namin, it was still a new adjustment sa akin. And also, yung editing, like the testimonials, and then the company's profile video, kasi it needs precision. So, one major lesson that I have learned here is the continuous improvement. Like, for example, when the website was given to us, so we've seen na meron pa ring enhancement na pwede pang gawin sa website. And then second is the collaboration. Like, it was an adjustment for me to collaborate with others, especially with sa aming team leaders, and then with the members, and also from the students coming from other universities. Based from the task assigned to me, so I have learned a lot. So I was prepared, especially the skills. There was an improvement as well. So nakita ko on the experience ko kung anong nangyayari sa real world, and then kung paano gumalaw yung mga tao, and then na ano ko rin na kailangan yung maaga ka dapat gumising, prepare for everything, especially for work. So my message for the company is that I want to say that I am grateful kasi binigyan kami ng opportunity to have the experience na mag-OJT here in Cavite. And then I'm also grateful to Sir Robin for being patient and understanding to us what I know. Thank you po. Once again, I am Jonabel from Web Development Team, and I am from Batch 5.